Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about the Very Good Butcher gift card. I think this is a genius move. Why? Because Christmas is coming around the corner and a lot of people need to get presents for their family members, and a good present is gift cards, and it also acts as good advertisement. So, Very Good Butcher investor could be buying a bunch of these gift cards, and then they can give it out to their family members and be like, check out Very Good Butchers on online and buy some of the product, check them out. Because let's be honest, a lot of people in this world buy and eat food, but not a lot of people invest into the market. Very, very small amount of the population invest into the market. I would say, let's say out of, all of Canada, which is 36 million, my guess is only 1 million people out of that 36 million invests into the market. The rest of the people do not. And there's also kids and, that too. They don't they're not part of the investing community, but kids make up a small chunk of the population. I think probably like 20%, 10% to 20%. The rest are adults, and so there's probably not too many people investing, but everyone has to eat. And if you really want to support the company, this good way is to buy gift cards, like a $25 gift card or a $50 gift card. But you can buy like a bunch of $10 gift cards and give it out to family members, and this acts as a good advertisement, because then people are like, oh, what's this Very Good Butchers? And be like, oh, it's like Beyond Meat. Just, you could tell them like that. It's like they sell like burgers and, stuff like that. But hey, this is what I think. This is what I believe. And once they set up the California facility, I think that Very Good Butchers stock will explode to the upside. But that's just my opinion. So far, I've tried almost every single product on Very Good Butchers. I like the burgers. I like these hot dogs looking things. I really like the taco stuffers. Don't like the pole jackfruit. Pepperoni's okay, but I would prefer not eating it. The smoking burgers good. Stuffed breast turkeys, not that great. These are decent. Bacon, I have not tried the bacon yet. Roast beef is okay, but you know what? I personally would not buy it again because it's kind of expensive for what it, for something that doesn't taste absolutely good. The ribs are horrible. The steak I haven't tried it, but my assumption is the steak is very, very similar to the ribs. They're probably both horrible. That's my opinion. These Very Good dogs are pretty decent. I like them. And the picture is very misleading. It looks like they're giving you 2, but they're actually giving you 4. I do have a video on them released over the weekend, so check them out. So for Very Good Butchers, I honestly don't know what the stock price is going to do. I seriously don't. But right now, it has a market cap of 127 million Canadian dollars. On the US side is VERY. Oops. $100 million. 100 million US dollars and 127 million. I think it's extremely undervalued, but that's my opinion only. But the thing is, even if I think it's undervalued, I still think that there's a possibility that Very Good Butchers could also go back down to $1.05 or even lower. That is still a possibility. That would be a huge buying opportunity. I mean, right now is not a bad buying opportunity, but it is risky up here because the stock price could pull back. I don't know what the stock price will do at the end of the day, but long term, I believe that this is very undervalued at $1.76. My opinion. But hey, you don't have to invest if you don't want to. It's your choice at the end of the day what you want to do. Personally, I'm holding this long term and I'm being patient and waiting for a pullback to add to my position. Like, but it might not pull back, and it might just keep going up. At the end of the day, I don't control the market. Big money controls the market. So we'll see what happens where the stock price goes. So, but I definitely will add on to my position if I see a pullback on this price. So the Very Good Food Company announces upgrade to trade on the OTCQB market. This is not, like, this was recent news. It came out October 14th. I'm not, it's okay. I mean, eventually they'll get listed on the OTCQX. But what I really want them to list on is the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. I want to see Very Good Food Company list on the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange, and then Robinhood investors can come in and invest into the company. And, because Robinhood does not allow OTCQB or OTCQ or over-the-counter stocks. They only allow NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange. So, more investors the better, because it creates a big brand loyalty. So I believe in this company in the long term. I think that I really believe in I would call it vegetable meat category, and it's healthy to eat vegetables once in a while, and this is a good alternative. And I do plan to be a long-term customer and a shareholder of Very Good Butchers. Beyond meat, right? Like, the higher the stock price goes, the more undervalued Very Good Butchers look, because let's be honest, they make $113 million per quarter. It's something that is not unachievable for Very Good Butchers, and they have such a big market cap for a company that makes $100 million. That's kind of insane in my opinion, but hey, whatever. That's just the reality of it. I have 3D system here. So the SPY pulling back after hours. Like I said, election is coming. Markets are volatile. We'll see where this goes, but I got a last another 30 seconds. Tesla is... Oh, look, Tesla's bouncing while the market is pulling back. Strange. Solo, another company I also believe in. But we'll see where this goes. I think that if it goes back to 246, 250, it'll be a huge buying opportunity. I'd probably add on to my position. I'd probably buy a little bit more if the stock goes down to 268, or at least buy more call option anyways. I didn't add on to call options today because I think that there's a possibility that the stock could pull back further. We'll see what happens. But anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.